cannot be polished without a friction. A man couldn't be perfected without the trials. A glorious evening to each and everyone. My name is Justine Ilustre, 21 years of age, stunning. I'm from Las Piñas City. And for this night, to allow me to stand by the name of the girl who captured the heart of Mr. Arthur Abreu. And I'll lead by Mr. River Cruz. Oo, ako nga po ang Ada, ang babae sa dilim, at nag-iisang GMA Afternoon Crime Princess. Opo, ako nga po ang only princess of Family Padilla, Miss Carly Padilla, na nag-iiwan ng katagang. Naniniwala po ako, hindi po lahat ng kabayo ay nasa kwadra. Yung isa po, nagsasalita na. Yung isa, susunod pa lang. Yung iba, nasa backstage pa. At yung iba, nanonood na. Maraming salamat po. Good evening.